In this section, we shall cover the system configuration. This can be accessed through settings, system configuration. System configuration basically used to set the basic system parameters like your customer name. You can set your name, your address, your city, state, country, and other basic parameters like the number of decimal points you want, the angle format, a default location, your logo, the logo that you want to appear in your reports. For example, if you want to change your logo, you can just browse and go to a file. This will be a logo. You can set it on the left side, on the right side, or if we have two logos, you can use both. You can also set the report format. The Well-Dye system supports two formats. You can do it in Excel. If your system has Excel 2003 or higher version, you can generate reports in Excel, or you can generate reports in PDF. You need Adobe 11.0 or higher versions. Other parameters are basically the number of images and works you want to display on the side screen on your on the place where you want to show the captured images. If you put 0, everything will be displayed. You can set the image formats like JPG, PMP, or whichever format you want. There are also some optional parameters like whether you want the system to allow you to edit your final pass fail status. You want to allow the system to you want the system to allow you to edit the expected values while measuring, edit the tolerances while measuring, or do you want to allow the system to enter the sheet thickness manually, or the number of pixels when you're drawing an object or boundary, how wide it should be, what should be the font size, do you want the basically display the date on the image. You can change it, set it to yes or no as per your need. Do you want to display the images on the result on the image? Do you want the display the name of the parameters, etc. Also, another important thing is that the system supports two modes. One is basic mode and another is advanced mode. The most important difference is that the basic mode supports basic features of the system. It again depends on how you want to do your measurements. If you have a very strict criterias like rules, different types of joins, etc., then you should switch to advanced mode. But if your requirement is very basic, you just wanted to measure the data and just do a reporting generation, you do not have any conditions or rules or different types of joins, then you can go for a basic mode also. There is no difference in the accuracy or the quality of image or the quality of report, both are same. Even the navigations and user interface is same for basic and advanced. The only difference is that the advanced mode has more master data, like you can set your different types of joins, you can set rules, you can set derived parameters, etc. We will cover both the basic mode and advanced mode, which will give you a more clear idea about the difference between that and which mode you should use. You can also define parameters like your weld parameters, for example, like your wire speed, which if you want to, and you can set the default values. You can set the current. These are basically the parameters associated with your robo weld. If you are using a robo welding, and if you want to capture or record the parameters that you have that you are using, basically if you want to correlate your result with any settings in your weld machine, then you can use these options like whatever parameters you are using, you can set. So this basically will appear in your reports. So once you have done your master data setting, you can save it by clicking on the save button. You will get a message that the configuration data successfully saved. You can edit this data anytime. Um, if you want to make a further changes, if you want to change the report format to PDF, you can just come here, change the format to PDF and save. The data will be saved.